How to fix Twitter age-restricted content. Well, most of the European countries might be facing this issue. It's because these countries implemented age restriction laws. These laws usually require all adult sites or sites with adult content to verify their visitors' age. So whenever you see uncensored content, Twitter claims it will estimate your age, but there is no way to verify it manually. Only X Premium allows that. But still, there is an alternative way to fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is move into the App Store. In the source bar, you have to search for NordVPN. Well, simply install this application on a device by tapping on Get. Once it has been installed on a device, you have to connect it to a different server. Try connect to the server where the age restriction is not available yet. After that, try accessing to your account. You might be good to go. If not, tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and move into Settings and Privacy. Head over to your account and then move into Account Information. Over here, tap on Country. Well, you have to try changing the country. Choose the country where age restriction is not available. Let me select United States for now. Once you have selected, at the bottom, you have to click on Change. Once the country has been changed, it should fix the issue that you have been facing with the age restriction. Or else, you need to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the official site of twitter.com. Once you're in here, move into your profile at the top left corner. Scroll down and head over to Settings and Privacy. Now move into Privacy and Safety, and then click on Content You See. Over here, you have to make sure Display Media that may contain sensitive content should be turned on. Once you have enabled this option, you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.